2011 HHR. The HHR is super fun and functional for any road trip and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, premium wheels, keyless entry, OnStar, traction control, moonroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.